In commercial construction, success depends on reliable, cost-effective solutions. Controlling noise, managing budgets, and specifying products that work across repeat installations all matter. Meet the ML3000, a practical, reliable hand dryer built for commercial projects. Compact, curved, project ready, quiet operation under 70 decibels, flexible performance for different applications. Designed for repeat installations, the ML3000 delivers consistent performance across large projects. Available in designer black or white to suit standard commercial interiors. Ideal for factory-built bathrooms and commercial amenities. ML3000, a cost-effective solution for commercial projects. Specify with confidence.